effectively repair and strengthen enamel. So you don't just brush to clean, you brush to build. Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair.
Special guest flow challenges hand models to show off the ease of comparing rates with Progressive's HomePort Explorer. International hand model Jean-Jean gets personal.
Your wayward pinky is grotesque.
High-stakes patty cake battle royale ends in triumph.
You have the upper hand.
It's a race to the lowest rate and so much more. Only on the upper hands.
President Donald J. Trump delivered on the impossible in his first term, and in his second term, he will continue to fight for you. President Trump will end our reliance on China, eradicate the coronavirus, and make our medicines and supplies here in the United States. Create 10 million jobs in the next 10 months. This is President Trump's vision for America, one of boundless optimism and certainty in America's greatness. I'm Donald J. Trump, and I approve this message.
Real progress? When you're affected by schizophrenia, you see it differently. It's in the small, everyday moments, and in the places you never expect. A little sign of hope, the feeling of freedom. And once these little moments start adding up, that's when it feels like so